Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. My name is Neela. I am very happy to see you today. Today, we will learn English with a short and simple story. The story is about a family, a mother, a father, and two children. Today's keywords. Repeat after me. Family, a group of people who love each other. Home, the place where you live. Morning, the early part of the day. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. School, where children go to learn. Cook, to make food. Together, all in one place, at the same time. Garden, an outdoor green area. Dinner, the evening meal. Happy, feeling joy. This is the Sharma family. They live in a small, clean house. Every morning, the family wakes up early. The mother's name is Meena. She is kind and hardworking. Meena wakes up first. She goes to the kitchen. She cooks breakfast for the family. Today, she makes bread and tea. The father's name is Ravi. He is tall and friendly. Ravi gets up and goes to the bathroom. He washes his face. The children are Priya and Arjun. Priya is 10 years old. Arjun is 8 years old. Priya and Arjun wake up slowly. They are still sleepy. Meena calls them, Priya, Arjun, come for breakfast. The family sits together at the table. They eat and talk. They are happy. After breakfast, Priya and Arjun put on their school uniforms. Priya carries a blue bag. Arjun carries a red bag. Ravi takes them to school in his car. He says, "Study well. I love you." Then, Ravi goes to his office. He works hard all day. Meena stays at home. She cleans the house. She waters the garden. She also goes to the market. She buys vegetables, milk, and fruit. At school, Priya studies English and maths. She likes reading books. Arjun loves science class. He also loves playing football with his friends. In the evening, Priya and Arjun come home from school. They are tired but happy. They drop their bags and sit on the sofa. Meena brings them a glass of cold water and some snacks. She asks, "How was your day?" Priya says, "It was great, Mommy." Arjun says, "I played football and scored 2 goals." After some rest, the children do their homework. Ravi comes home at 7 o'clock. He is happy to see his family. He hugs Priya and Arjun. "I missed you all day," he says. Enjoying the video so far? Hit that like button so you don't miss more content like this. Meena cooks a delicious dinner. She makes rice, dal, and vegetables. The whole family eats dinner together. They laugh and tell stories. After dinner, Ravi reads a story to the children. They love this time. At 10 o'clock, everyone goes to bed. They say, "Good night. Sleep well." It was a happy family day. The Sharma family loves their home and each other. Vocabulary review. Family, a group of people who love each other. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. Hardworking, someone who works a lot and does not give up. Together, all in one place, at the same time. Tired, when you need rest because you worked or played a lot. Now let's do a quick quiz. Let's see what you remember. Answer these questions. 1. What is the mother's name? A. Priya B. Mina C. Arjun. The answer is B. Mina. 2. What does Mina cook for breakfast? A. Rice and dal, B. Bread and tea, C. Fruit and milk. The answer is B. Bread and tea. 3. How old is Arjun? A. 6 years old, B. 10 years old, C. 8 years old. The answer is C. 8 years old. 4. What does Ravi do after dinner? A. Watches TV, B. Reads a story to the children, C. Goes to sleep. The answer is B. He reads a story to the children. 5. What sport does Arjun love? A. Cricket, B. Football, C. Basketball. The answer is B. Football. Wonderful! You did a great job today. I am very proud of you. Today, we learned about family and home. We learned many new words. My family is happy. Can you write this in the comments? Try it. Don't forget to subscribe and come back every week for fresh new videos. See you on the next one.